Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be making a marble tray using some marble pieces that I purchased from Floor Decor, and they were only 49 cents a piece. And I'm actually going to have another video where I take you guys along with me in that store. I'll also be using this clear serveware platter tray from the Dollar Tree and a can of Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color gold metallic. For the first step, I'm just going to spray paint my tray with the gold spray paint all around on the inside and on the outside of it. So this tray will only fit 3 of the pieces. I actually purchased 4, but that's okay because I do plan on making another one. So you can use either E6000 or you can use hot glue. It just depends on how permanent you want it to be. I'm going to use hot glue. I'm placing my first piece of marble directly in the middle and working my way outward. And I'm just going to add both of the other pieces on each side. So once I got to this part, I thought I might be done, but then I was like, let me add a little bit more to it, maybe on the handles to kind of bling it up, make it a little bit more pizzazz. So I'm taking my clear crystal jeweled little rhinestones. I love these things, and I'm going to add them onto the handles of both sides of the tray with my hot glue gun. And this is it. It actually looks really cute once you add your decor to it. So here I'm using it as a bathroom vanity tray, and I just love the way that it looks. Really, really cute to me. So if you saw my kitchen haul, you know that I purchased this Project 62 marble tray from Target, and it's got the gold rim as well, which was actually a little bit of my inspiration for doing the DIY one. So I tried to use it as a coffee stand, and it actually looks cute too. You can put your little mug or decor on it by your coffee station. It's a cute little dupe, I think, for that tray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this marble gold tray DIY project, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, please comment and let me know your thoughts down below, and if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Just click on my picture, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.